Hello and welcome to the first video from ScreenWorks. In this video, we will be showing you how to do iPhone 6 Plus touch disease repair. And I am Austin, the lead technician that will be walking you through this process. Now in this video, we will not be showing you how to remove the board from the phone or how to expose the area that we are working on. And with all of that being said, let's get started. I have taken the liberty of pre-applying flux to the area being worked on. I will start using our rework station to allow this ball grid array, or BGA, chip to flow. I place my tweezers nearby to lift the chip when ready. Nice, clean lift. Now I will replace the original solder with leaded solder. Adding more flux. Leaded solder melts at a lower temperature, so we use it to make our jobs easier. Flux helps solder flow and makes for a nice, clean connection. Now we'll clean the used flux with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Remove these cotton strands. And start exposing the M1 pad to solder to. Add more flux. and 10 the exposed pad. Bring in a wire for the jumper. And solder from the newly created pad to the old pad, if it still exists. Slight reposition. Now removing excess wire. And here's an overhead view of the jumper. Do a quick clean of our working area. Put my chip in frame. Orient it correctly. Add a Hershey's Kiss for good luck. Place my chip. Holding it in position while I heat. Remove heat, let go of the chip, and reflow to ensure good alignment and connection. Quick cleanup. Now to inspect proper alignment of the BGA. All good. Now a final cleaning montage. Alright, touch disease has been completely repaired. We've made sure of this by double checking all of the areas of the touchscreen after turning the phone on. And we also put some pressure, some slight pressure, in some areas on the board to make sure that those gray flickering bars don't occur again. We sent that off to the customer and they're very pleased with the result. But before we end the video, I'd like to give you a quick recap of the process. We began by removing Mason, which in most cases is the culprit of touch disease. We gave Mason's area a rework with leaded solder. Then we exposed the M1 pad to solder a micro jumper to make sure that touch disease does not occur again. Then we cleaned the area, put the chip back on, and cleaned the board up. And now, touch disease is completely gone. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more videos like this, and follow us on our social media.